Very good evening once again. Right now I am going to discuss with you the emission spectrum of hydrogen atom. Emission spectrum of hydrogen atom. You should understand the term. What do you mean by this emission spectrum of hydrogen atom? Means if hydrogen atom is there, energy or light will be absorbed by hydrogen atom, right? That light which will be absorbed by hydrogen atom. Inside the hydrogen atom, electron is there. Electron will go to excited state, then will come back to the original state. Fine means ground state. It means whenever it will whenever it will go to the excited state, suppose this is excited state, this is a ground state, it will come back. At that time it will release energy, release light, release rays, and that will be detected by the spectroscope, that will be detected by the spectroscope, that will give you the spectra, the lines, right? That will give you the lines. Okay, the lines. What kind of lines? Means dark, means colored space will be there, and after the colored space there will be dark line. This kind of spectra will be given by the hydrogen atom. Although various questions are in our mind, hydrogen atom has only one electron, but still it can show the spectrum, large number of lines. So let us see that how can we study the emission spectrum of hydrogen atom. Okay, so the lines or the number of lines which will be there after the emission of the light will fall in the visible region, UV region or IR region. This I have told you when I have discussed with you electromagnetic spectrum. Some of the lines of hydrogen spectrum will fall in visible region, some lines will fall in UV region, and some lines will fall in IR region, right? Here I am going to discuss with you about one of the scientists whose name was Balmer, and Balmer gave a relationship, right? He said 1 by lambda is equal to mu bar. Why the relation is like this? We have done this relation when we have discussed the characters of the waves also. 1 by lambda is equal to, this is wave number, actually this is representing the wave number. Further he gave this formula 109677 bracket 1 by 2 square minus 1 by n square. This formula is given as it is. We are not going to derive it, where in this equation, in this formula, n is the value which will be more than this number, right? That can be 3, 4, 5. So this formula will be termed as Balmer formula. This formula will be termed as Balmer formula. It is in front of you, and if you can see here, then this n integer can be equal to this or more than this, but not less than this. Understand? This is the general information I am giving you about hydrogen spectrum, and I am just telling you about those lines which are falling in the visible region, and this formula will be valid where the visible region will be talked about. Means the lines, it will deal with only those lines which will fall in the visible region. Understand? After this, if you look at it, I have written, it is not only the case that hydrogen will emit only the lines in the visible region. In electromagnetic spectrum, you have seen there was UV region, there was visible region, and there was IR region. So according to the scientists, according to the discoverers who discovered these lines, the name to these lines have been given, and the scientist Lehman has discovered the Lehman lines, and those Lehman lines are termed as Lehman series, right? I am talking about here hydrogen. When it will absorb energy, electron will be excited, electron will come back to its original state, light will be emitted, that light will give some lines, and the lines which were discovered by Lehman are termed as Lehman series, and these will fall in the UV region. You can see here, these will fall in the UV region. Then Balmer lines fall in the visible region. Then there is Paschen series, Brackett series, and P-Fund series. These three will fall in the IR region. These three will fall in the IR region. Understand? So these are the name of the scientists who discovered them. After, these are all the lines. Fine, these are all emission, the lines of emission spectra. Lines of emission spectrum which fall into different regions. So the formula, one more formula was developed, that was termed as Rydberg equation. It is equal to, basic concept is 1 by lambda is equal to wave number, nu bar, that is equal to, this is replaced by here R. This is replaced by R. This is Rydberg constant. Its value is 109677, and now this has been replaced here with n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. So where once again n2 will be greater than n1. This is very important equation, Rydberg equation, which will help you to know about the different lines, the values of different lines, right? One more important thing here, what do you mean by N1 and N2? These are the energy levels, right? If you talk about the structure of the atom, then in that case you must have read about that this is the nucleus, this is K shell, this is L shell, this is M shell, this is N shell, right? So for it n is equal to 1, for it n is equal to 2, for it n is equal to 3. So these are those values. Suppose I talk about, I am just writing here, this is n1, this is n2. Fine. The electron is just falling down from n2 to n1. Right? I will let you know in the next class that how you will put the value for n2 and how will you put the value for n1. But you should know here that n1 will represent n1 and n2 both will represent the value of value of energy levels, energy shells, right? And this will help you to know about the spectrum of hydrogen atom, and we will utilize this formula in numerical problems also. And the next I will discuss in the class. Thank you.